do you want to know how to deactivate or delete your Instagram account? So we're going to go through with a couple steps. It's very simple, very easy to do. So go to your Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the 3 bars at the top right corner. So from here, once this loads up, you want to go to Accounts Center, and you want to go to Manage Accounts at the bottom. And then go ahead and choose the Instagram account that you want to deactivate or delete. So go ahead and hit Manage. And you want to choose deactivation or deletion. Now keep in mind, these are very, very different in what they do. Deleting your account means you're going to lose everything, and deactivating it means your account is temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it by just logging back into your account, but you will not lose all of your stuff. So I'm just going to choose deactivate account. Go ahead and hit continue. This is going to show you what you're going to lose access to. If you're going to delete your account, it would show you what you're going to lose. So once you're okay with this, go ahead and hit continue. And from here, this is going to ask you to put your password in one more time, and it's going to go through a couple of prompts of just making sure of the reason why you want to do this. Are you confirming to deactivate or delete your account? And once you hit confirm, it's very simple to do. And then there's no going back. So if you delete your account, your stuff is gone. But if you deactivate it, you'll be able to log back in and get all of your stuff back. So hopefully this was helpful for you. And that's it. Super easy.